In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show margins in Microsoft Word. Understanding margins is an essential skill for creating professional and well-structured documents. Margins define the space between the edge of the paper and where your text or other content begins, helping ensure your document looks organized and is easy to read. To get started, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to work with. You'll notice that the horizontal ruler above your text gives you an initial indication of the margins. The shaded areas on the ruler represent the boundaries beyond which text or content cannot extend. This visual cue helps you understand the limits for your page layout and keeps your content properly aligned. If you want to make the margins more visible and see the exact boundaries for your text, Word provides a feature to display text boundaries. To enable this, go to the File tab in the upper left corner of your screen. From there, click on Options to open the Word Options dialog box. Within this window, select Advanced from the menu on the left. Then scroll down to the section labeled Show Document Content. Here you will find a setting called Show Text Boundaries. Check this box and then click OK. Once you've enabled this feature, your document will display light lines around each page, clearly showing where the text area begins and ends. This makes it much easier to see exactly where your content fits within the page and helps you adjust your layout more precisely. It is particularly useful for documents that need to meet specific formatting requirements, such as reports, essays, or professional letters. Remember, displaying text boundaries does not affect printing. These lines are only visible on your screen, giving you a guide while working on your document. They're a helpful visual tool to keep your layout consistent and ensure all your content stays within the designated margins. By following these steps, you can quickly and effectively view the margins and text boundaries in any Microsoft Word document. This simple adjustment can greatly improve your document's appearance and make editing more intuitive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.